Hey all, my name is Paul Borowski and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And just a few days ago, I posted a short video on how to apply for Amazon.com small business grant. Just a real quick summary. Amazon is giving away $25,000 for a grand prize, and I believe another like 8 or 9 different prizes ranging from $15,000 to $20,000 in total. Amazon is giving away about $255,000 in small business grants, and the grant deadline is September 30th of 2022. And what I did in my previous video is I showed you all the links and discussed, the information as to how to apply and what questions to expect. And subsequently, since that video has been posted, I've gotten a few different messages on that video, as well as a person gave me a call in reference to it. Shout out to Curtis, thank you. And they are having difficulties for applying for the small business grant. So what I did was I went in there and I went through the process to see how we can apply as small business owners for this grant. And I do see where there are some issues with getting in there. So what I've done is I'm going to go ahead and show you all. I'm going to walk you all through how I got past those issues, and hopefully this is going to help y'all get past the little labyrinth that Amazon.com has thrown up against our small businesses in order to apply for their grant. It's not like us running and owning and starting up a small business is difficult enough. Amazon's now it's got to make it a little bit harder to get their cookies, but we'll get through it. All right, so the way to get to the Amazon.com grant, first, fill out this small business center right here. Go ahead and register as an Amazon business customer. Once you do that, then click on this link right here. Type this link in, or at the bottom in the little description on YouTube, I have this link as well. So you click on that link, and once you click on that link, let me close out of my other stuff here. What you're going to get is you're going to come up with this page right here. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click right here for the small business grant. It's going to ask you for your business account, and so I'll type in my account name right there. Then it's going to ask you for your password and sign in. Once you do that, we are now brought to the Amazon homepage again. And a lot of the clients or a lot of people watching this video are getting stuck right here. Well, don't fret. This is just the beginning. So once you're here, the next step, the way that I got around this is I went back to the same link. I clicked on that link. And it brought me back to the same darn page again. At this point, I then click on the small business grant again, and bada bing, we are now in the application. And the application is asking for your information here, the annual revenue, size of your business. Is your company in the U.S., yay or nay? And then here are the questions for your business. And then right here, it asks a little bit more information. And then just, again, just go right through the application like I was discussing. But yeah, there is a couple of bumps to it. But if you follow that process, you should be able to, bypass, their little gauntlets that we have to run through in order to apply for it. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and then have a good one.